this gorgeous plant. It's rosemary, rosmarino. This is a very beautiful ornamental plant. It's fragrant because you do like this, and it smells divine, and it's great for your memory. And you can use it for cooking and many other things. It's a very easy plant to grow and to maintain. This plant normally comes from Europe and United States. It needs to be most of the time dry. It doesn't like to be wet, which is ideally now we have in a container to look pretty. Ideally, the plant doesn't like to be sit down in water. So don't put underneath a little plate to keep the water. Normally they die because they have too little water, but mostly too much water. And you can see these gorgeous, beautiful flowers. They have like a kind of a blue, violet flowers. They are absolutely amazing. And when they flower, when the plant flowers, they attract bees and butterflies, which is absolutely beautiful to have those animals around. Another important thing of this plant is you need to prune it frequently. And then another thing that I like to do is to propagate it. Imagine that you just cut 1/3 of it in order to propagate, okay? If you cut very little, you are not going to be very successful, okay? You need a bit of a stem in order to be able to propagate it. Thank you so much. I ask permission. Remove mostly from, I will say from here, I will remove the extra leaves in order to give the plant enough energy to create the roots. Because the less leaves they have, the better for the plant. Which is, I will remove them. And I will cut it in an angle to give more space to propagate, okay? And just put it in water. You can make oil with this, with the rosemary. It's a very famous essential oil. And it has many uses, but one of the most important uses of the rosemary is memory. Because memory is very important for us, you know? Just rub your hand on the leaves, you know, and smell it. And apparently this goes directly to your brain and increases your memory.